Hello everyone, my name is Nofrodin Halawa. My student number is 251008996. I'm a sociology student. Today I want to tell you about my reflection during one semester in Membeing English class. First, how did you feel when you started the class at the beginning of the semester? Did you feel nervous, happy or afraid? Why did you feel that way? Honestly, at the beginning of the English class, I feel nervous and not confident about my English ability. Before the class started, I asked senior student about the learning system. When I heard that we should not use intonation in class, I was afraid and thought that I would get a bad grade in this course. Okay, number two, did you consider yourself as a good student in this English class? What good deeds have you done in this class? Are there any bad habits that you have done in this class? Yes, I think I'm a good student in English class because I'm always present from the first meeting to the last and from the beginning to the end of the semester. I am always present and always participants in class. I always try to ask questions for or express my opinions in class. I also hand in assessment on time. However, my English is very good and sometimes I use Google Translate. Number three, what do you think of the class window which also lets lecturer and student to speak Indonesian? It is helpful for you. Explain your reason. For me, yes, it is very helpful when the lecturer opens the class windows. It helps students understand the material better, especially when the lecturer discussions homework or assessment. Okay, number four. The lecturer tried various ways to make students feel relaxed so you can join the class activities. However, her efforts are not always successful. What are the failures in your opinion? What are the reasons for her failures? After reflecting on this semester, I think the learning system used by the lecturer is very good. The point card system motivates students to speak in class. For me, it feels like a game that encourages me to be more active. The main problem is not the system but the student anxiety. Many students still depend on Indonesian because they are not confident in English. I think this happens because English was not taught intensively when we were in school. In fact, English is very important for our future careers. Okay, for number five, in class we have group discussion, reading article, writing report, question, answer session, and presentation. What class activities did you like the best? Why you like it? My favorite activity is the question and answer session because in this session, students can ask questions and give comments to the presentation group or the lecturer. It also helped me become more confident to speak up in front of others. Even though my English is not perfect, I can still express my ideas. The lecturer also helped correct my pronunciation mistakes. Okay, number six, when give a text to read an article at home or discussion in groups, what do you usually do to use it? the text as important to you in improving your English so. When I have a group discussion assessment, I usually make the translation first. After that, I change a sentence into English. From this process, I learn new vocabulary that I can use in future classes. And number 7, among the class activities like reading articles, reading reports, question and answer session, and presentation, what class activities do you dislike the most? Why so? Explain your problems during the text. The activity that I do not really like is reading article. Sometimes I forget to read them at home, and I find them difficult to understand, especially when they are not discussed directly in class. Okay, next. Number 8. Many students ask AI in the class English. How much do you use AI? How do you use AI in the English class? Do you think AI is helpful in improve your English lesson? Honestly, I also use AI in class, but I do not depend on it completely. First, I write sentences by myself, then I check them with AI to see if my grammar and word placement are correct. I feel happy when I'm certain already correct. I use AI because I am afraid of making mistake in pronunciation and sentence structure. AI also helps me improve my English speaking skill and learn how to make correct the sentence. And number 9, what are your suggestions to your lecturer so that she can help you to improve your English? Explain and give example. I think the class system is really fun because the point system encourages students to speak more. My suggestion is to add more games in class, such as word creation games or other fun activity. These games can make students feel more relaxed and less nervous when speaking English. And the last, I want to explain my comic about my experience during one semester. Okay, look. Okay, explanation of my comic. This comic tells my experience in membeing English class for one semester. First, I go to campus at about 6:15 a.m. I try not to be late because the class start at 7 a.m. and finish at 10:30 a.m. If students are late, they can lose points. After I arrived at campus, I entered the classroom, membeing, start the lesson. In the class, students take a colored card. The card is used for class activities. Then the lecturer asks students to give opinions and answer questions. Students who are active can get points. This activity helps students speak more and join the class. Sometimes I feel shy and not confident to speak. However, I still try to participate and improve my English. At the end of the class, active students get points. I say thank you, ma'am. The class is over and I go home. This class helped me learn English and become more confident during one semester. I get many new experience and improve my English skills.
Okay, so guys, I have question for Topher because he explained his activity in membening class. So the question number one is, what is your favorite activity in the English class? Why? So the question number two is, do you think this is English class helps you improve your English? So that's my question.
Okay, so I will answer the question from my friends. Number one, my favorite is activity is group discussion because I can share ideas with my friends. And number two, yes, it does. This class helped me learn new vocabulary and be more confident to speak English. Okay, thank you guys. See you.